welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be making agua fresca de horchata. So it's basically rice water, only about 4 ingredients: water, rice, cinnamon sticks, and sugar. And that is all. No milk, nothing, because that's how my mom used to make it. And yeah guys, so if you're new to my channel, my name is Mary, and if you're not new, then welcome back to my channel. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, so let's continue with the video. Vámonos. So here we have 1 cup of rice, and we're just going to add water. About that much. And I'm going to be adding a cinnamon stick of this kind of brand, the Ronnie, and just soak it in there. So I'm going to leave soaking the rice overnight with the cinnamon. And I'm gonna wash this tomorrow morning. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so here we have our container where we're gonna put the horchata. Here we have the rice we're going to be using. We left it to soak overnight. It's 1 cup of rice and 2 cinnamon sticks with water. And it's up to you to personal preference if you want to wash your rice. I personally didn't, so there's that. This will be our sugar. This is Pilonzillo to sweeten the rice, the horchata pues. Okay, now let's get started. So what I'm going to do is put one of these sugar canes so it could blend as well. My hands are clean. I can already smell the horchata. So again, it depends up to you how much water you want to use for your horchata. I use that much right now. Now I'm going to cover it, and then we're going to blend. Okay, so I blended it for, oh, I went away. It was 6 minutes and 26 seconds. 6 minutes and 26 seconds. It looks like a frappuccino. Whoa. So I have to strain it because look, the blender blends fine. It blends perfectly, right? But we don't want to eat this. Well, I guess if you want to, you can, but yeah, I don't want this in my drink. So we throw this out. And there's people that don't strain their aguas when they make them or whatever. It depends which one you make though, but like this, you want to strain this. I'm going to actually add water to this. And it's up to your preference how much water you want. So I basically used this whole gallon of water. Okay, let me show you guys close up on the camera. So see, this was left from the from the rice, as you can see. The blender blended it well. Very tiny pieces. But anyways, I'm gonna wash this. Set it aside right here. And as you can see here, this is what is left from the thing we blended, from the rice and the cinnamon. And now it just goes to the trash. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add more water. You can't pick up the color on the camera. Oh yeah, you can. It's a little bit tanny-ish color, but because of the Pilonzillo. The Pilonzillo is like a dark brown caramel color. Now I'm just going to add more water. Hold on, let me zoom out actually. Okay, I'm just going to add more water, fill up the whole thing. Or just halfway. So I used 2 of these. These are from Tupperware. And yeah. Now I'm just going to taste it. But I think it needs more sugar. Let me taste it. You could use any type of sugar you have in your pantry. I'm going to use this one because it's just there that I used for my projects for school. And it's not the best sugar, but again, horchata is not healthy. Can't see me. But again, horchata is not a healthy drink to drink unless you decide not to have sugar in it. But this can perfectly what's it called? Not feed. But this gallon, whatever, what's 2 gallons? What kind of? Yeah, it's 2 gallons. 2 gallons of water. Plus what was in that cup thing. It can be served to about 30 people. But I didn't fill it all the way, so. Okay, that's perfect, not too sweet. So like I said, some people add milk, but my mom never added milk. She added rice, cinnamon sticks, and if mom had Pilonzillo or just regular sugar or cane sugar, whatever type of sugar you have. And you can add milk, but I just don't like the smell. So I'm gonna put this to chill in the fridge for about 3 hours. and we will be back to try it chilled, because right now it's not cold. So you could put ice if you have any, but I don't, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge. So we'll be back to try it. Okay, so it's nice and refreshing. It's really good. It tastes like rice, and it's perfect for this sunny day. A ver, Dani, ahora tú.
Está buena.
¿Está bien dulce?
Está dulce.
Pero no está bien dulce, ¿no?
No está bien dulce. Está rica. Para que la hagas en su casa.
Okay.
Cuando hace calor.
¿Ya tienes calor?
Sí.
As you can see, my brother tried it. And it's really good. It's nice and cold. Okay, so let me know if you guys try this recipe out on my Instagram. Tag me, official Mary Sosa, or comment down below in the comments, and I'll leave all the ingredients down below in the description box. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, adios.